What's up, guys?
Wait, you see me?
Yeah.
Go check out my channel because I'm gonna do this.
What's the name of your channel, though? You don't even know your name.
Yes,
of your
it is.
channel.
It's RXP Supreme, bro. What are you talking about?
Okay, then go
RXP underscore Supreme
underscore
Supreme.
Okay, why here?
Because
Why are you here right now?
we're gonna put this on my mom's car.
That car?
Yes, that car right there. But we're not gonna do it right now because I had to record it on my channel. Go like and subscribe to my friend's channel, Daniel. Show your face, boy.
Yeah. I never show my face.
Huh? You don't want to show
You
your
hold
face?
the camera.
Okay, hold up. Let me just put this.
Okay, that's my face.
Hey, look at his face, more. Hey, I'm the cameraman. So he's just gonna be vlogging, I guess. And then I'm
Vlogging, yeah, we're gonna go vlog. I'll be right back. Alright, so we're gonna go to the church right now. Oh, I wanna get home and play Fortnite. Who is it? Okay, now you tell her! Get it, boy. Just get it. What's up, Cassia?
Oh, we're at church.
Let's go. She said yes?
Don't worry. She said don't worry about it.
Alright. Focus.
Recording me, I'm the cameraman. I'm supposed to say you.
I'm the
Turn
cameraman.
around.
I'm the cameraman.
Show your face.
I am gonna show my face a little bit.
Are you putting that on YouTube?
Yeah.
Why are you telling them?
I don't know.
Why are you doing this?
So they can subscribe to me. Sorry for the raining, guys. Oh my gosh. Sweaty. Oh, you've been stealing. Oh, you're stealing in the car.
This is my car. What are you talking about?
It's not your car, it's your mom's car.
Well, I bought it, so.
You didn't buy it, your mom bought it.
Well, I almost bought it.
You almost, so it's not your car. It's your mom's car.
Let's go.
Alright, don't run, because then it's going to be like all shaky and stuff.
How many is it to do? It's 50 cents. That's the juice. 50 cents?
What?
Free refill, right? Free refill, right? I just need 50 cents on my knee.
Alright. Alright, how do you turn this thing around? How do you turn it around?
You can't turn around. You have to show your face like that.
Alright.
What are you guys doing? Just walking back and forth and videoing each other? Oh my god.
Oh my god. Ooh. Look at it. Vlogging, bro. Hello to the vlog.
A cup of watermelon. I don't have 50 cents.